name is Lakshmi Lavanya. I have scored 95 marks in accountancy, so it's been a long journey. When I started studying accounts, it was a little difficult, but if I tell you the key to score good marks, that would be giving time to all your subjects regularly. Even don't miss a single day. It's not that you need to keep studying for long hours every day, it's just all about regularity and a good mentor like Sanjeev sir. He would be the best person in any guidance in the subject of accounts. Thank you.
Hey everyone, Sweetie this side. I'm currently studying in class 11 and it is joyful to tell you that I take tuitions from Sanjeev Giri sir. And if I have to share my learning experience, you must have heard the word extraordinary, and this word is self explanatory to all his dedication, passion, and the way he teaches us. And due to his immensely amazing strategies, I have managed to score good marks, score full marks in this term examinations. And sir, I'm greatly beholden to you. Thank you for giving us a great learning experience. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Supriya. I am a student of Sanjeev Giri classes. Sanjeev Giri sir teaches us accountancy. I want to share my thoughts or experiences in his way of teaching. Classes with him have been so worthwhile. He has an amazing way of teaching and he has an amazing way of breaking things down so that the concepts are understandable. He focuses more on conceptual clarity than burdening students with excessive homeworks. He is not just a great teacher but also my ideal person. He knows how to motivate his students. At the end, I just want to say that he is an asset to our life. Thank you.
All a very warm good morning to all of you, and I hope you all are well. Well, na, nice. Now come to the main point for what I am making this video. So first of all, my name is Khushi Singh and I am a student of class 11th, and I am also a student of Sanjeev Giri classes, and I am a commerce student. So guys, I have a question. Have you seen an incredible teacher or an incredible classes of accountancy ever? Guys, I am damn sure. If you are a student of SGC classes, then you must have seen. So first of all, a term SGC. Sanjeev Giri classes. For others, it may be a class, but for me, it's a platform or it's a place that's given me thousands of courages and thousands of opportunity to do something big. Saying on the behalf of my own experience, the real shining star of the SGC classes is our accountancy teacher Sanjeev sir, and he teaches in such a way that we enjoy studying accountancy. And guys, few days ago I had my half yearly exams and I got 40 out of 40 in my accountancy exam, and this is just because of sir, because he cleared my doubts and all the concepts in such a way that I got full marks. So first of all, a special and a big thanks to Sanjeev sir, because just because of him I got full marks. And sir, your SGC will always rock because we have a shining star like you. So first of all, guys, if you are a commerce student, so you I must say and I must suggest you must have to join SGC, a platform where you will get accountancy practical demonstration, accountancy seminar and notes, accountancy test series and assignments, and you will also learn suitable learning methods. So please join us and see the difference. Maybe the next is you.
Hello friends, I am Nisha Bajeli. I was a student of Sanjeev sir from 2016 and 17 batch of accountancy. This year I have completed my BCom honours from Maharaja Agrasen College of Delhi University, and along with it I am pursuing company secretary from ICSI. I have got 95% in accountancy in 12th class. According to me, Sanjeev sir is the best teacher for accountancy as he is very dedicated towards the student. If you go along with his instructions, you will easily get 90 plus marks. And for me, he is best teacher for 12th class. He is my favorite teacher among the all others because he is very helpful and friendly. Accountancy is a practical exam, so the only way to get good marks is practice. You have to go to variety of books and sample papers, and according to Sanjeev sir, you have to practice every variety of questions because in accountancy every concept has a variety of questions. You will get a new question every time you go through a new book. Okay, keep your basic concepts clear, because until your basic concepts are not clear, you are not able to go for higher level questions. And according to me, practice more and more, attend more and more mock tests, sample papers, and go through various kind of books as I told earlier. And if you go as per Sanjeev sir's instructions, You will not find even a single question in the examination paper that you can't do or you have not seen while practicing. So according to me, go along with Sanjeev's instructions and you will able to get higher marks. All the best for your exams. Thank you.
Hi everyone, myself Manisha. I am a student of Sanjeev Giri classes. Today I want to share something about Sanjeev Giri sir. He is the best teacher of accountancy. Because of him, I have come to love accountancy. He makes learning easy by his creative ideas and giving us beautiful example, etc. It is the supreme art of Sanjeev Giri sir to awake joy in creative expression and knowledge. I'll always remember to attend his classes because he's the best teacher. Sir, at last I want to say something that you are not a teacher to me, you are an inspiration. Lucky to have you, sir. Thank you so much.
My name is Pooja. I study in Sanjeev Giri classes and I understand everything very well here. First, I have a lot of problem to solving accounting equation, but now I understand everything. Sanjeev sir teaches very well to all of us. Thank you so much.
Hi guys, I am Kritika. I am a student of Sanjeev Giri classes. I like to say something about my teacher. The teaching style of sir is very unique. He explains the concept very well by giving practical examples. He does not get irritated when we ask same questions again and again, and he is ever ready to solve our doubts. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Shruti. I was a student of Sanjeev Giri sir and I feel very grateful to being a part of Sanjeev Giri classes. He teaches so well by giving conceptual understanding and amazing examples. He makes so much effort for his students. In my view, he is the best teacher for accountancy. So thank you so much, sir. And the student who see me right now, all the best for your upcoming exam.